Most AI YouTube channels don't fail because of bad content. They fail because nobody ever sees them. That's the part nobody tells you. You think the game is ideas, editing, consistency. It's not. The game is distribution. And if you don't understand distribution, you can upload 100 videos and still sit at 0 views. Today we're not talking about content. We're talking about something much more uncomfortable. Why the algorithm never even gives you a chance. Most people believe something very simple. If my content is good, it will get views. That belief sounds logical, but it's completely wrong. Platforms don't reward quality first. They reward performance signals, click-through rate, watch time, retention, session impact. And here's the problem. You don't get those signals without impressions, and you don't get impressions without signals. This is a closed loop, a system that requires proof before giving you the opportunity to prove yourself. So new channels enter a paradox. No data, no distribution. No distribution, no data. And this is why most AI channels never even start. Not because they are bad, but because they never escape zero. Let's break this down with a creator economy example. Imagine you start an AI YouTube channel. You upload your first 10 videos. Each video gets around 20 impressions. That's it. Now let's calculate. 20 impressions. With a 5% CTR, that's 1 click per video. 1. Now assume your video is actually good. Average watch time, 4 minutes. Doesn't matter, because the system has almost no data. Now compare that to an established channel. Same topic, same quality. But 10,000 impressions, 5% CTR, 500 clicks. Now the system has real data. It can test, it can expand, it can scale. This is not a content problem. This is a distribution inequality. Now understand what the platform is optimizing for. Not fairness, not opportunity, not potential. It optimizes for risk minimization. If a video is shown to users and fails, that's a cost. Lost attention, lower session time. So the algorithm prefers safe bets, content that already worked, creators that already proved themselves. This creates a structural bias. New creators are high risk. Established creators are low risk. So the system allocates attention accordingly. And this is why just make good content is incomplete advice. Because the market is not neutral. It is hierarchical. And hierarchy controls visibility. Now scale this up. Not just you, the entire market. Millions of AI videos are being uploaded every day. Automation tutorials, AI tools, side hustles, faceless channels. Supply is exploding. But attention is not. Viewer time is fixed, which means more supply, same demand. This compresses distribution. Fewer videos get most of the views. The rest get almost nothing. This is a power law system. Top 1% captures the majority of attention. Everyone else fights over scraps. At the micro level, you feel invisible. At the macro level, this is exactly how the system is designed to behave. So why is this happening now? Why are so many AI channels stuck at 0? Because production became easy. AI removed friction. Script writing, automated. Voice, automated. Editing, simplified. Which means content supply exploded overnight. But distribution did not evolve at the same speed. The bottleneck shifted. Before, content creation was hard. Now, attention acquisition is hard. And most people are still solving the old problem. They optimize content instead of optimizing entry point, positioning, distribution strategy. This is why they stay stuck. Here's the reset. You don't have a content problem. You have a distribution problem. And distribution is not random. It is engineered. If you don't design how your content enters the system will ignore it. This is the uncomfortable truth. Consistency without distribution is just invisible effort. And if you don't understand this, you will keep producing with no feedback, no traction, no growth. In the next episode, we will break something even more practical. How small channels actually break into the system. Not with better content, but with better positioning. Because in this game, visibility is not earned first. It is constructed.